Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Disney Plus. We click on settings. Then this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Disney Plus. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will go to Play Store and then you will update your app to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.